On May 19th, Honeopath Police Department responded to a tip concerning the welfare of an 8-month-old baby at this home. When arriving, the officers found the home infested with raccoons, rabbits, dogs, cats, and deceased animals. There was animal feces and waste found throughout the home. Police Chief Christopher Miller described it as one of the worst things he's seen in his 30 years on the force. The worst thing that he found was a deceased goat in a bathtub. The police did not disclose how many deceased animals that they had found in the home. The baby was said to be in good condition despite the living environments and was placed in the care of a family member. Kayla Raynard and Nicholas Foley have been charged with unlawful conduct towards a child, ill treatment of animals, and multiple violations of local ordinances.